It's my honor to introduce Cleaner Smile at-home teeth whitening kit, a state-of-the-art solution to fix the scientifically proven root cause of yellowing, discolored teeth, extrinsic and intrinsic stains. Cleaner Smile is a specially designed teeth whitening system using the most current dental technology available. Our comfortable mouthpiece is equipped with an advanced LED blue light therapy system. When combined with our scientifically designed CP35 rapid responding whitening gel, it quickly penetrates deep to lift those embedded stains caused by years of coffee, tea, smoking, wine, cola, and aging. In as little as 10 minutes, get your teeth up to 8 shades whiter with our easy-to-use at-home treatment. Cleaner Smile Professional Light Therapy System is registered with the FDA, is an approved process by the ADA, and is clinically proven to give you dramatic whitening results with no pain or sensitivity. Our special gel formula includes peppermint oil, which has all natural antibacterial, antiseptic, and pain-relieving properties. Plus, it helps prevent mouth and gum infections. The formula also uses carbamide, a tooth whitening agent that has an oxidizing effect, unlocking your teeth's whitest color. All our ingredients are vegan, non-GMO, and safe for the whole family. Nothing like this has ever been created in history. A super affordable whitening system using advanced technology that can be easily used at home and is made to fast-track the path to pearly whites. When our teeth look white and clean, we can relax, be in the moment, and laugh, no longer ashamed of our smile. With whiter teeth, we become much more confident, which increases our ability to be more social, make more money, and be more attractive. A study conducted by Oral-B on 2,000 men, women, and dentists found a whiter smile will improve your appearance and both your personal and professional relationships. The study found a person with white teeth was assumed to be making about $16,000 more than a person with yellow teeth, and a person with white teeth is more employable and considered twice as likely to have graduated from college. Match.com recently polled 5,000 single people and found that a beautiful smile was the most attractive quality that both men and women looked for in someone they wanted to meet. According to another study by the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry, a whiter smile can also increase your attractiveness by 20%. Numerous studies show that a whiter smile helps people appear younger, more attractive, wealthier, and more educated. If you are in that small group of people who have naturally perfectly white teeth, this system may not be for you. But if you're among the 87% majority of people who at some point in their life struggle with discolored, stained, or yellow teeth, I urge you to invest a few minutes of your time with us today and hear about our revolutionary teeth whitening solution. There are plenty of teeth whiteners out there, good and bad. Some work but can cost thousands of dollars, some don't work at all, and some can actually cause damage to your teeth. Dentists use specially designed advanced light therapy to get results, but that can cost thousands of dollars, take several uncomfortable appointments, and months of your time. That's why I'm so excited to introduce Cleaner Smile at-home teeth whitening system, a revolutionary new way to whiten your teeth using our state-of-the-art LED advanced blue light mouthpiece and scientifically designed CP35 rapid whitening gel pens. Now, you can use the most current, highly advanced dental technology available in the comfort of your own home for a fraction of the cost. The gel's special formulation goes to work immediately, producing an oxygen action that helps break apart molecules of the stains. The LED blue light technology works with the gel to quickly remove those unwanted stains and gives you the white smile you've always dreamed of. Cleaner Smile's professional light therapy system is clinically proven to give you dramatic whitening results with no pain or sensitivity. I guarantee you'll have a whiter, more confident smile after 60 days or your money back. For a limited time only, you can get the advanced LED blue light therapy mouthpiece, 3 rapid responding whitening gel pens, which is a 90-day supply, 2 smartphone charging cables for Android, iPhone, and USB, plus 1 shade color chart to help you measure your results. Most people pay $149 for this same system, and that's a great deal compared to dentist treatments that cost thousands of dollars and take several uncomfortable appointments. But today only, you pay just $69, the absolute best price we have ever offered. You get everything that comes with our advanced at-home teeth whitening system for a simple one-time investment of just $69. That's a savings of over $80 today. Because I'm so confident in your results, I'm offering you a full 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't experience dramatically whiter teeth, if you don't feel more confident with your smile, if you're not overflowing with enthusiasm, or even if you change your mind for any reason at all, even if you use up the entire kit, if you still want to get your money back, it won't be an issue. All you need to do is contact us within 60 days and we'll refund the purchase price, no questions asked. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. This deal won't last due to high demand and supplies are limited. So we only allow each customer to order a maximum of 4 kits at this special price, which is a full year's supply. In fact, many people want to lock in the 60% savings offered today and get a full year's supply so they can maintain their white smile year-round. Take full advantage of this super low price and add up to 4 kits to your order now. Making a commitment to your smile is a smart decision, and you'll save over $360 today. Yes, your order today is a one-time payment with no auto ship, no subscriptions, no hidden charges. You hate those as much as I do. Look below this video now, and if Cleaner Smile kits are still in stock, you'll see 3 money-saving options below this video. Select your package and click the button to proceed to our safe 256-bit secure order page. Remember, Cleaner Smile is only available on this page. It's not available for purchase anywhere else on the internet, and it's not found in any stores. I've eliminated all the middlemen to get you the very best pricing available. Over 150,000 people have already had life-changing results with Cleaner Smile. You get a full 2 months to decide, 60 days to test drive this advanced LED technology and deep penetrating stain-removing formula. There's nothing to lose. Truth is, some people aren't ready to fix their smile and experience these life-changing results, and that's fine. If that's the way you feel, then feel free to leave this website right now. This solution isn't for you. But if you're ready to transform your entire life, then click the link below right now to claim your discount and take advantage of this amazing deal. No hidden fees or subscriptions, no auto ship, just a safe and secure one-time charge. And remember, your order is 100% protected by my 60-day money-back guarantee. Click the link below to place your order now.